Yo, man, today we finna go to the Aurora and we gonna SRT upgrade my shit, man. So that being said, I'm getting a 6.4 intake finally, the scat pack intake manifold. I'm getting that, and I'm about to go get that right now. About to hop on the E-way. My homies was supposed to come with me, but you know how homies be. It's whatever though. Do this little drive by myself, man. It's gonna be smooth. I ain't gonna really be able to record much just cause I'm by myself. But the guy I'm linking with supposed to be, he said he got 4 scats with him and an RT and I think a Hellcat. So if he really got all that with him, we gonna have some really good content for y'all when we get over there. And I'm just gonna hope it all goes good. And I'm gonna get with y'all when I get on the E-way. Maybe do a little time lapse of the E-way. I don't know. Motherfuckers, I don't know. But I'm gonna get back with y'all in a second, man. About like 45 minutes south from Dude, man. I'm on this little back road. There ain't no cars out here, so I might as well give y'all some poles real quick. Drop a second. Nothing out here though, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I can't see nothing. But yeah, we almost to Dude, man. It's a long drive. I ain't gonna lie, it's like 3 hours, and I'm by myself, so I'm bored. Man, just listening to tunes. Yeah, when I grab this, I'm gonna do a little series of me installing it. And I also got my brakes on the way. I ordered some brakes and some rotors, and I ordered my new tint for my headlights, my tail lights, so I can retint them. And I'm gonna record all of that too. And I was gonna get some Brembos, but I gotta get them special made for my car since it's all-wheel drive. I can't just go get it from SRT and swap it over like I thought. It's more to it for all-wheel drive, so the Brembo's out of the question. So I just ordered some drill slotted rotors. I don't know when they'll be here. They'll be here before Christmas, though. Hopefully, get that going for y'all. Maybe just start the new year with more content. But I don't know. Let me slow down and get another pull. accurate actually, bro. So I'm not even gonna go over that, like off of that, because I don't think this is accurate at all. But yeah, this boy got some power. I'm gonna get a dyno tune soon. I just gotta find somewhere close to me that can dyno tune it for me. But I'm about to end this little clip here, man. I need some music. I can't just listen to my car. I need some music. I'm getting tired. So my next clip is gonna be when I'm with Dude. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. And I just got here like 15 minutes ago. Got the intake. Dude wasn't with his homies. He wanted me to drive to Chicago with him, but I wasn't really feeling it because I'm dolo. I'm just trying to get to the crib. I really didn't even want to drive out here by myself, but I did. So I got the intake though. I need to get a throttle body, but I think the 5.7 throttle body do work on the 6.4, if I'm not wrong. So I might just keep mine, but I'll probably upgrade it. But yeah, I'm just filling my car up real quick. I'm about to head back on the road, head back to the crib. My fault I ain't get no footage of the scats and shit, but I'm gonna insert the picture of him saying that it was gonna be scats and shit, so y'all don't think I'm woofing. But I'm gonna hit y'all when I get back to the crib, man. I just got back to the crib, man. I'm so tired. It's like my 4th time recording this little ending part because I'm so tired. But about to end the video here, man. Stay posted because I'm about to do the 6.4 intake swap soon. Gotta wait on this rest of my bolts to come in for it. And then I'm gonna start that. I got some other parts on the way too, so I'll be recording that. And yeah, that's all I can really say right now. I'm so tired. It's 1 a.m. I just got back. But shit, appreciate y'all for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment if y'all want. Shit, I don't really care. And go follow my social medias, link in the description, man. Appreciate y'all.